Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. I'm looking forward to today's exercise because every time I do it, and I don't do it often enough, it is so much fun. I discovered it once when I didn't really know what to draw, and I was sitting somewhere outside drinking a cup of coffee, and there was a super shiny spoon next to my coffee. I looked at it and I saw my own reflection. That's what we'll do today. Grab a spoon from your kitchen drawer. Make sure it is a good mirror and it has a curve so that your reflection is curved and skewed and all wonky, because that's the whole fun part of today's exercise.
Alright, hold the spoon so you can see your face in it and draw your reflection. The reflection is all distorted because of the curved surface we're seeing ourselves in. This takes away the pressure you might feel to make a portrait with a great likeness and well-proportioned features. I start at the top of my head, but really, you can start wherever you like. Whatever catches your attention first, just start there. Don't think about it too much. Look at the distortion and draw it. Depending on the curve of the spoon, your head might be very long or your body might be. It's really fun. Try and find a good angle in the spoon that gives you a fun distortion. It's kind of like a funhouse mirror. Have some fun with it. You will notice that you can't really see any details, so focus on the shapes that you can see. You'll notice that some shapes appear to be just dark bits, so trust your eyes and draw those. I can't see any details like pupils or whatever, but my eyebrows stand out and I see the shadows of my nostrils. Actually, the dark shapes are key. You can also use the opposite side of your spoon, which is very interesting too, because the mirrored image is upside down. I'll start at the top of my head again, but that is not a rule. It doesn't matter where you start drawing. Again, I see mostly shadows, so I draw those. The distortion is different this time. My body is very long. You may or may not want to draw the shape of the spoon. Now that I did that, I noticed there is another really fun reflection in the handle of the spoon, so that definitely needs to be included. And now that I'm at it, I'll draw part of my hand holding the spoon. Let's emphasize on the distorted reflection some more by just looking at the distorted background and adding a few shadows and a few lines. That gives even more context and wonkiness. You could color your self-portrait using watercolors, for example, if you used waterproof ink. I'll just give my portraits a pop of color with some pink on the cheeks.
Okay, now go try it yourself. Grab a spoon that is reflective and use it as your mirror. Make sure you turn it into different positions so you can actually see your reflection skewed and distorted, because the more distorted it is, the more fun it is to draw. And because you don't see much detail, you can't go into detail, so you don't need to worry about likeness or anything. It's just really about trying to capture the wonkiness of it all. And isn't that just great? Embracing the wonkiness, or actually emphasizing on the wonkiness. Have fun!
Don't forget to share what you make on social media using the hashtags DTTInAction and Sketchbook School.
I'll see you next week. Bye!